Alright everyone, here we have everything we need for our paper bag turkey. We use construction paper for our feathers and body parts. You're going to need a paper bag, the eyes, the nose, the bottle, and the feathers, glue stick, and some scissors. So right now we are using pom-poms, but you can use acorn as well. So you can place the body parts ahead of time just to gauge where you would like to put them. And it's a really fun activity. Here are all the feathers, all different colors. All right, let's go. And here is our paper bag turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. So we need to feed our paper bag turkey. That's why we cut a hole in the middle. That'll be his mouth. And we're going to feed him pom-poms. You can do acorn as well, which is more festive, but we're gonna do pom-poms. And you can do one by one or a handful. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.